Bullish Arweave cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $39.30 and $74.22 by 2030. Market investigators accept AR could reach $30.56 by 2025. Bearish Arweave market cost expectation for 2023 is $6.99. Arweave presentation. In the developing crypto market, new players are continually coming in, each with their varying primary, calculated premise and works. These variables alongside exchanging volume and the market cap proceed to deliver their consistently changing costs, like R's cost. Exploring through the crypto market to create a wise venture can be troublesome yet conceivable. This requires one's own exploration to be continually creating and enhanced by specialized investigation given by specialists. One likewise must be continually checking the current endlessly cost expectations. Checking these cost expectations assists you with bettering comprehend the future direction, assisting you with making a drawn-out cost forecast. To purchase Arweave cryptographic money is a choice one can make in the wake of being entirely educated about what the cash is, the way its capabilities, and what are its beginnings. Step-by-step instructions to work will be made sense of through a specialized investigation of Arweave and its starting points through essential examination. These will likewise incorporate a comprehension of the ongoing exchanging value, the typical gauge value, the typical value, the base cost, and the greatest cost level. What is Arweave? The Arweave network is a decentralized information stockpiling organization. It is a novel blockchain-based stage that empowers super durable, secure, and proficient information stockpiling. The local badge of the Arweave network is R. The Arweave network was sent off in 2017. The principal point of the Arweave network is to give a long-lasting and restriction-safe information stockpiling stage. The Arweave network depends on blockchain innovation. The information put away on the Arweave network is unchanging and can't be erased. The information put away on the Arweave network is scrambled and must be gotten to by the information proprietor. It is developed on top of a pristine blockchain design called Blockweave, which gives a state-of-the-art agreement cycle and token monetary model that urges network clients to cooperate to give long-haul information capacity. A solid, versatile, and financially savvy information capacity choice is presented by the Arweave convention. In June 2020, the Arweave network turned out to be live on the fundamental net. The organization's stockpiling and recovery capabilities require the organization's local token, R. Like Bitcoin, the confirmation of work technique is utilized to mine R tokens. Recently made R tokens and a level of the exchange charges connected with the information put away on the organization are given to excavators as remunerations. Arweave specialized examination. Arweave is a decentralized, extremely durable, and boosted information capacity organization. It is based on top of the new blockchain engineering, the Blockweave, which empowers an original agreement component and token monetary model that boosts network members to team up in giving long-lasting information stockpiling. The Arweave convention gives an information stockpiling arrangement that is secure, versatile, and practical. The local badge of the organization, R, is expected to utilize the organization's stockpiling and recovery administrations. R tokens are mined through a proof-of-work instrument. Excavators are compensated with shiny new R tokens as well as a part of the exchange charges related with the information put away on the organization. The Blockweave information structure utilized by Arweave is like a blockchain. However, for certain significant contrasts, blocks in a Blockweave are not tied together directly. All things being equal, they are connected together in a lattice-like design. This takes into consideration each block to reference different past blocks, which empowers the organization to accomplish high throughput and adaptability. Arweave current cost. Arweave is at present worth $8.73 USD. R has moved 1.71% as of now with an exchanging volume of $16,941,666. Arweave is at present positioned 106 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $293,268,331 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Arweave to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Arweave market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Arweave Value Forecast 2023. Arweave, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The R cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $13.10. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $12.23 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. R is supposed to have a base worth of $10.48. Arweave Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Arweave R cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of R will before long outperform $21.83. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the R's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, R will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $17.46 and a typical exchanging cost of $19.21. Arweave Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $30.56 and R might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. R is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $27.94 and a low of $26.20 in 2025. Arweave Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Arweave effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the R coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, R will be green in 2026. The R is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $39.30, with a base cost of $34.93 and a typical cost of $36.68. Arweave Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the R cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $45.41 by 2027, with a base cost of $43.66 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, R has a greatest value worth of $48.03. Arweave Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $54.14. On the off chance that R figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $56.76. Neglecting to accumulate the help R needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $52.39. Arweave Value Expectation 2029. While R is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $61.13 and a yearly cost close above $65.49 in 2029. Arweave Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Arweave will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $69.86 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $74.22, averaging out at $71.61. Arweave Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with